Hello faves, welcome to my channel again. On today's video we are making Zobo, healthy Zobo drink. Let's get into the video immediately. Now the method. In a clean pot, pour in water, add your hibiscus flower, your cinnamon stick, ginger, then your pineapple should be blended. Add your pineapple peel, cloves goes in. Add a little part of the pineapple juice, you leave the rest for later. The seeded dates soaked, blend it. Pour in your blended dates into the mix. We are not using sugar for this drink, we are only using dates to sweeten it, so that's why you have a lot of dates there. We just want a natural drink. Now your beetroot goes in. Let's add our beetroot. Yes, that's it. The juice has been boiling for 15 minutes now. Let's add the remaining pineapple juice. Stir. Allow it to boil more for like 10 minutes. Then strain. Chill it in the fridge. Unveil. This is our healthy Zobo drink. Our healthy Zobo drink is ready here. Guys, this is rich in iron and other essential minerals. Thank you for watching my video. It's a short video. It's just a simple recipe. You can always make this at home yourself. This can be a substitute for your soda drink. This is more healthy. Guys, please recreate this in your kitchen and tag me. I would love to see what you created with this recipe. Thanks. See you in my next video. Bye. I'm signing out.